Assalamualaikum ladies and gentlemen. Today we will discuss a magnificent structure that is a hallmark of Islamic architecture, the Badshahi Mosque. This mosque was built during the Mughal era and is renowned for its beauty and grand architecture. The Badshahi Mosque is not just a place of worship but also a living testament of the Mughal period. Its construction has captivated not only Lahore but the entire world. We will shed light on various aspects of this mosque and see how it stands as a literary masterpiece of Mughal architecture. Literature Review. The construction of the Badshahi Mosque began in 1673 under the order of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb and was completed in just 2 years. This mosque is one of the Lahore's most magnificent historical buildings. The design of this mosque was prepared by Aurangzeb trusted architect Ustad Ahmad Lahori, who was also involved in the design of the Taj Mahal. In various books and articles, this mosque is referred to as the crown jewel of Mughal architecture. In the renowned historical book Lahore, A Sentimental Journey by Prem Neville, the Badshahi Mosque is described as an excellent example of Mughal architecture and literature. Dr. James Westcott, a famous architect and researcher, in his book Mughal Garden, wrote that design and construction of the Badshahi Mosque reflect the Mughal tradition of gardening and architecture. Ustad Ahmad Lahori used the best technique of Mughal gardening and architecture in the design of this mosque. Dr. Anjum Rahmani, in his book Lahore, History and Architecture, mentioned that the construction and decoration of the Badshahi Mosque are part of the grand tradition of Mughal architecture. Architectural masterpiece. The design of the Badshahi Mosque was prepared in the Mughal style, using red sandstone and white marble. The wall and domes of this mosque are filled with intricate carvings and elaborate tile work. The facade of the mosque, inspired by the Red Fort, is famous for its magnificent carvings and tile work. The white marble motifs on the facade shine like pearls, enhancing the mosque's grandeur. Courtyard and Mihrab. The courtyard of this mosque is one of the largest in the world. The courtyard is so large that it can accommodate 55,000 worshippers at a time. There is also a large fountain in the middle of courtyard, adding to its beauty. The Mihrab in the front of courtyard features intricate carvings of Islamic motifs. Further enhancing the mosque beauty, the carvings and tile work in the Mihrab are stunning and leave visitor in awe. Domes and minarets. The 3 large domes and 4 minarets of the Badshahi Mosque are in defining features. Their design ensures they are visible from afar. The central dome of the mosque is made of white marble and feature intricate tile work. Surrounding the dome are 4 minarets add to the mosque grandeur. Each minaret is stand at 176 feet tall and is also designed using white marble and red sandstone. Interior and decor. The interior of the mosque feature intricate tile works and carvings. The wall and ceiling inside the mosque are adorned with Quranic words and floral patterns. The large hall and courtyard inside the mosque make it only a place of worship but also a tourist attraction. The intricate tile work and carving inside the mosque are testament of Mughal art and architecture. The main prayer hall of the mosque showcases the excellent use of white marble and red stone, special places and architectural art. Inside the mosque there are some special places that further enhance its beauty. At the entrance of this mosque is a larger gateway known as Delhi Gate. This gateway features intricate carvings and tile works that add to the mosque grandeur. There is also a library inside the mosque filled with books from the Mughal era. The courtyard of the mosque also features a large fountain adding to its beauty. Cultural and religious significance. Thousands of people pray here every day and find peace for their mind and hearts. Various religious and cultural events are also held inside the mosque. Further highlighting its importance, the Badshahi Mosque is a source of pride and honor for the people of Lahore. Conclusion. The Badshahi Mosque is not just built a building, a testament to a civilization and its era. Its magnificent architecture and intricate carvings are living proof for the grand diversity and the art of Mughal era. Even today, this mosque stands in the heart of Lahore, attracting people from all over the world with its beauty. The Badshahi Mosque is a masterpiece of Mughal architecture that will always remain alive and continue to captivate with its magnificent design and construction. This mosque is an exemplary structure not only for Lahore but for the entire world, showcasing the grand architectural and artistic tradition of the Mughals. So now we talk about Mazar-e-Qaid. Mazar-e-Qaid is located in Karachi. Mazar-e-Qaid is not just a tomb but a symbol of national pride and masterpiece of marble architecture. Our discussion will cover the significance of this monument, its architectural details and its place in the cultural heritage of Pakistan. Literature review. Mazar-e-Qaid was designed by the renowned architect Yahya Merchant, with its construction beginning in 1960 and completion in 1970. The monument stands out as a magnificent example of modern Islamic architecture blended with traditional Mughal influences. Numerous books and research papers highlight the architectural brilliance and historical significance of Mazar-e-Qaid. In Pakistan, A Modern History by N. Talbot. Talbot described how the monument design reflects the modernist aspiration of the newly formed nation. Similarly, in Jinnah of Pakistan by Stanley Wolpert, the Mazar is described as an embodiment of Jinnah version of Pakistan, modern yet rooted in Islamic heritage. Architectural design. Mazar-e-Qaid is constructed primarily from the white marble, which gave it pristine and majestic appearance. The structure is a large cube with a dome inspired by Mughal and Ottoman architecture. The monument's clean lines and minimalistic design reflect modern influences, while its grand dome and arches pay homage to traditional Islamic and architectural elements. The dome and arches. The central dome of Mazar-e-Qaid is most striking feature. The dome made of white marble rises gracefully and is surrounded by four semicircular arches. These arches are Mughal architecture, especially the arches found in Badshahi Mosque and the Taj Mahal. The interplay of light and shadow on the marble surface is enhancing the monument's ethereal beauty. Interiors. The interior of Mazar-e-Qaid is as impressive as its exterior. The main chamber houses the sculpture of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, which is made of Italian white marble. The walls of the interior are adorned with intricate floral pattern and calligraphy, showcasing the rich artistic heritage of Islamic architecture. The calm and sense ambience of the interior space provide a solemn atmosphere of visitors paying their respects. Surrounding gardens. The Mazar is surrounded by beautifully landscaped gardens that add it to grandeur. The gardens are laid out in the cathedral style, a traditional Persian and Mughal garden layout that symbolize paradise. The lush green lawns, fountain and pathways create a tranquil environment, making the monument not only a place of resemblance but also the scenery retreat in the bustling city of Karachi. Symbolism and cultural significance. Mazar-e-Qaid is more than just an architecture marvel. It is a national symbol. It represents the ideal and aspiration of Pakistan as embodied by its founder. The design and grandeur of Mazar-e-Qaid inspire a sense of pride and unity among the people. Conclusion. Mazar-e-Qaid is not merely a building but a reflection of a nation's soul. Its magnificent marble architecture stands as a testament to the rich heritage of Islamic art and architecture. The monument beautifully blends modern and traditional elements, making it a masterpiece of its time. As it stands in the heart of Karachi, Mazar-e-Qaid continues to inspire and remind us of the vision and leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. It is a place where history, culture and architecture come together to create a lasting legacy for future generations. Okay, so now we talk about the Red Fort, Lahore. The Red Fort of Lahore, also known as the Shahi Qila. This magnificent fort, located in the heart of Lahore, Pakistan, stands as a testament to the grandeur and architectural power of the Mughal Empire. Built and expanded by various Mughal emperors, the Red Fort of Lahore showcases their intricate design, robust construction, and cultural significance that characterize Mughal architecture. In this discussion, we will explore the historical context, architectural feature, and the lasting legacy of this monumental structure. Literature review. The Red Fort of Lahore has been extensively studied by historians and architects alike, with numerous publications detailing its significance and architectural brilliance. In Lahore History and Architecture by Anjum Rahmani, the author provides a comprehensive account for the fort construction, emphasizing its role as a symbol of Mughal power and its influence on subsequent architecture development in the region. Similarly, the Mughal throne, the Saga of India, Great Emperor by Abraham Early. The fort is described as a key seat of Mughal governance and a reflection of the empire opulence and artistic achievements. Architectural design. The Red Fort of Lahore is primarily constructed from red sandstone, which give it distinctive appearance. The fort covers an area of 20 hectares and features a blend of Persian, highlighting the centric nature of Mughal design. The fort design includes robust defensive wall, majestic gate, and a series of palatial building and garden. Main entrance. The fort has several prominent gates, the most notable being the Alamgiri Gate and the Delhi Gate. The Alamgiri Gate, added by Emperor Aurangzeb, serves as the main entrance and is renowned for its imposing structure and decorative feature. The Delhi Gate, facing the history city of Delhi, showcases intricate carving and serve as a testament for the fort's strategic and cultural significance. Sheesh Mahal and No Lakha Pavilion. The Sheesh Mahal, as a place of mirror, is one of most iconic structures within the fort. It is renowned for its intricate mirror work, which create a dazzling effect when illuminated. The No Lakha Pavilion, named for its construction cost of 9 lakh rupees, is another architectural marvel within the fort. It features a beautifully carved marble canopy and offers a panoramic view of the fort surroundings. Moti Masjid and Garden. The Moti Masjid, or a Pearl Mosque, is a small yet elegant mosque within the fort, built by Emperor Shah Jahan. It is constructed from white marble and showcases a simple yet graceful design. The fort also includes several gardens, laid out the traditional Mughal carved style. These gardens symbolize paradise and add to the fort aesthetic and scenery atmosphere. Architectural innovation and influence. The Red Fort of Lahore incorporates several architectural innovations that influence subsequent Mughal and regional architecture. The use of red sandstone, marble inlays, and intricate mirror work set new standard in architectural design. The fort's strategic layout, with a defensive structure and residential places, reflect the Mughal emphasis on functionally combined with artistic expression. The Red Fort of Lahore stands as monumental achievement in Mughal architecture, reflecting the empire artistic brilliance and strategic acumen. Its robust construction, intricate design, and cultural significance make it vital part of Pakistan heritage. As a symbol of Mughal grandeur, the fort continues to inspire awe and admiration, preserving the legacy of an era marked by unparalleled architecture, innovation, and cultural synthesis. The Red Fort of Lahore is not just a historical monument but a living testament to the enduring legacy of the Mughal Empire in the Indian subcontinent. All three conclusion. The Red Fort of Lahore stands a monumental testament to Mughal architecture brilliance, blending robust construction with intricate design. It, along with Mazar-e-Qaid and Badshahi Mosque, showcases the enduring legacy of Islamic architecture, reflecting a rich cultural heritage and artistic innovation that continue to inspire admiration globally. Thank you so much.